cubital fossa area. This area is where all three veins lie, the median cubital, the cephalic, and the basilic veins. Now, I recommend highly to follow this order. First, look for the median cubital, then the cephalic, and then of course the basilic. Now, if those three veins are not accessible again, we go to the back of the hand veins, which are referred to as the dorsal metacarpal veins. Then, with the dorsal metacarpal veins, we can look at the wrist area, or where the watch goes. This is the standard order we should follow when inspecting an arm. Now, my recommendation is if the median cubital is not accessible and the cephalic is not accessible, I would definitely skip the basilic vein and go to the back of the hands or the wrist area where the watch goes. And in a minute, we're going to see why that's important. That selecting the basilic vein should always be a last resort if the back of the hands and the wrist veins are not also accessible. And a final note, there are no forearm draws or inside the wrist draws. That is against the standard of care. And again, foot draws are only with an MD approval. So if there are no veins located anywhere in these areas, including the back of the hand and the wrist, then we would get an MD approval for a foot draw. And again, the